given a string object, rotate its characters by k position or positions. For example, string is ABC, rotate by one position means C will go to A's position, C, and A will go to B's position, B will go to C position. This is the answer. Let's declare a variable ABC and k positions, k equal to 1, write a rotate function strk. String is a immutable object. That means contents you cannot change it. If you want to change the contents of a string object, we need to convert it into character array. First, we need to declare two indexes. One is pointing to last element in the array, length -1. Next index is next element to or previous element to I. We need to repeat this loop. I greater than 0. We need to swap elements. First case, last element is C, previous element to C is B. We need to swap B and C. First string will become CB. Next, ACB is the input. We need to swap CA. CA. This is the string we need. Let's write a program. Swap last element with the previous element. Let's declare a char C equal to A of I and A of I equal to A of J, A of J equal to C. So we need to decrement the indexes. I minus minus, J minus minus. This loop should repeat for k times. K minus minus greater than 0. we need to now all rotated characters are in character array. We need to convert that character array into string object. String has a static method called value of. Give a character array, it will return string object. Let's print it. System dot out print ln str rotated by one position and rotated string is let's run the program. There is a problem. 15, line number 15, we need to put braces here. So many problems. String is a void type, we need to return a string. Again problem. Array. Now no problems. Java. Yeah, here is the answer. ABC rotated by one position under rotated string is F. Let's try with the bigger string ABCDF. ABCDF is our input string and the rotated string is FABCDE. This is called right rotation. Let's run for 2 positions. ABCDF is rotated 2 times. Very wrong. Something wrong. We need to put these 2 elements here. Now run the application. By 2 elements, you need to change this. Let's compile. ABCDF rotated by 2 positions and the rotated string is EF ABCD. Last 2 elements will go to first position. F will go to first time F will go to A's position. A will be shifted to right. and E will come as a first element. F will go to next element.